In the following videos, I'm going to create a test class and a test method to test the login user functionality. And I will begin with creating a new test class for the login user, and the rest of the methods that are related to testing user functionality I'm going to place in that new class. And the reason I'm putting the create user test method and the login test method into different classes is because in the case of our project, user cannot really log in right away after they have created a new account. To be able to log in, user first needs to check their email message and then click on the link in that email message that we have sent them during their sign-up process to verify their email address. So we cannot really run the create user and the login user test methods in order right away in this real integration test, in which we do not have any mocks and we do not configure any custom behavior for the methods in the mock object. And since there are no mocks and there are no method configurations in our case, and there is an extra step in between the two test methods that user needs to do manually, I'm placing the test method to test the login API call in a different class. So I'm going to go to my project and then source test Java, and then I'm going to create a new test class, new, and then JUnit test case, and I will give it a more generic name like users web service endpoint test. And the reason I'm giving it a more generic name is because I'm going to place different test methods that are related to a user's web service endpoint into a single class. I'm going to place the user login, and I'm going to place get user details and maybe update and delete user details into a single class. Okay, and then I will leave everything unchanged here, and I'll click on finish. And I have a new test class created. I will rename the method to test user login. I will delete the fail function from here, and I will copy a couple of lines of code from the create a user test class. Like for example, I will copy the setup, rest assured base URI and port number. We will need it. I'll paste it here, and then I will copy the context path. I'm also going to need it. And the rest I will add to test user login method as we go. So let's continue and let's write rest assured code to test the user login functionality.